So in this video, you'll learn how to enable notification reminders on your Samsung Galaxy A36, A26 and A56. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and then under Settings, you want to look for Notifications and select it. From here, tap on Advanced Settings and then look for the option Repeat Notification Alerts and select it. From here, in order for you to enable this feature, just tap on the toggle to turn it on. Then you can go ahead and customize it to your liking. So for example, start by choosing which apps will have repeat alerts. So select it and then go through the list and enable the apps that will have repeat alerts. So for things like your messaging app, things like Gmail, just important apps that you would like to have repeat alerts for. Then you can go back and continue customizing it by choosing the repeat interval. When you select it, you have different options to choose from. You have 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 15 minutes. So it's up to you to decide which repeat interval you'd prefer to use on your phone. You can also choose to have a vibration being felt whenever the sound plays to remind you of your repeat notification. And so just have fun customizing it to your liking. And once you've done that, you can just close the Settings app with the changes being applied onto your device. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.